Hello guys, welcome to Mama Fix Cars. Today we're going to be working on the 2011 Mazda 3. We're going to be taking out the expansion valve. I'm going to give you all the steps you got to take. Mostly you should have the expansion valve right here and the firewall, but this one's different. It has it right here on the passenger side. It's somewhere around where the glove box is, so we're going to go ahead and take the glove box off. Stay tuned, I'm going to give you all the necessary steps. Let's go. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and take the glove box off. You open it. When you look here, there's a tab right here, so you raise it up a little bit. When you raise it up a little bit, you push back and it should release over here. You do the same thing for this side too. Raise and push back, it should drop like this. When it drops like this, this tabs 1 and 2 is gonna release from this one right here, and you should be able to get the glove box off. Guys, before we get this side off, we're gonna go ahead and detach this one right here down. All you have to do is, you see this tab right here, you push in and pull down. It has 2 of them right here too. You do the same for this and they should come off. Guys, so we're gonna go ahead and take this bolt right here, 1 and 2 right here. We're gonna take that off. When we take that off, I think the rest should be clips holding the whole compartment. I'm gonna pull this one. Go pull it out. You get your trim tool, just get whatever works for you. That's gonna help you pry it out. Just get what works for you. I think there's something holding it. Let me figure that out, I'll let you know. Alright guys, you push this metal piece, this one right here, push it out, pull it out, and I kind of figured that this is in the way too. It just has this clip holding it, and I think we're gonna have to adjust just a little bit to get this out, and this should be out. Yeah. There we have it, guys. Let me look up here. This is the light in the glove box. Just go ahead and loosen the screw right here. I want to take the whole thing off. Alright guys, I have it out. I realized you just had to slide it out. Yeah, pretty much it. Slide it out. This should be free. Alright guys, get that out of the way. This is where it is. This is where the expansion valve is. So this cushion is covering it. I don't know. I gotta take this cushions out. Once you get it out, you should get to your expansion valve right there, right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the cushions out. See what it looks like. Hey guys, so I got all the cushions out. Mine is pretty messed up. I don't know if my part is gonna come with some, but yeah, this is how good I was able to bring it down. I'm gonna go ahead and take this front bolt right here. And guys, remember, before you do this, you have to make sure you drain your AC, your Freon. My bad. Make sure you drain your Freon so you don't have gas all over your face. Yeah. All right, guys. So once you have this bolt out, you should pretty much be able to like pull it back a little bit. There's tension in it. But just be careful. Pull it back a little bit and try to bring it on the bottom like that. Yeah. So you can get access to this 2 Allen bolts in there to get the expansion valve out. It's a 4 Allen key. Gonna go ahead, take it out. There you go, guys. Your expansion valve. Alright, so this is pretty much it. How to take the expansion valve off of a 2011 Mazda 3. This is the end of my video. You find it helpful? I appreciate if you follow, subscribe to my account, and give me a like. Alright, bye.